Hello and welcome to Yaran Academy. In today's video, we will talk about how to create attractive loader in HTML and CSS. So stay tuned and let's dive into VS Code. So I have created this simple HTML file. Now I'm going to copy and paste this simple SVG here, which we are using for this loader. This is the SVG which we are using for this loader. And then I have created this style tag here. On the style tag we are going to use this static universal selector and use margin, padding, box, everything 0, and then I will make this SVG center. So for that I will add like some body style here, display flex, align items center, justify content to center, and I will add some background color. I will add like this, e e6 f0ff. Color, I will add some color. Mhm. And then font family to censor. We will remove this, and then I will add some height to make this SVG center and save. See, I did this background color and make this SVG center, and then let's add some animation to this SVG. For adding animation to this SVG, I already added some classes like class IP, here class IP track, and this ID grade 1, grade 2 to add some animation here. So first of all I will add some styles to IP class, like width 16 em, height 8 em, and I will add some more style to IP track class. I will add some stroke here and comma, static IP warm, and also to IP warm too. We will add like this type of some illumination, and then IP warm 2, animation name we will add name warm 2, add some key frames, key frames, keyframes to warm 1, and this will start from stroke date offset to 0 for now. And then 50%, let's change this first to uh, dash 385. And then 50.01. Then I will copy this and paste again here, and this time we will change the warm name to 2, and then stroke distance 5. I will remove this. I will copy this and paste it here for starting this point, and then 50% will be 0, and then 2 will be minus 358. 358. Let's save and see. Okay, so let's check what's the problem here. Oh yeah, you can see we are adding here animation, so for that we will use animation and save this. See, now it's working.